Imagine for a moment, a commercial airplane stripped of its paint, revealing the bare metal underneath. It's a sight you wouldn't often see, yet it occurs more frequently than you might think. Every 7 to 10 years, airplanes undergo a thorough repainting process. This isn't for aesthetic purposes, but a crucial safety measure. Repainting prevents corrosion caused by dust, oil, and pollutants, which could lead to metal fatigue and structural failures. It's a costly and time-consuming process, but a necessary one, as underscored by the chilling incident of Aloha Airlines Flight 243. Picture a sunny day in April 1988. Aloha Airlines Flight 243, a Boeing 737-200, was in the middle of a routine flight between Hilo and Honolulu. Suddenly, the aircraft experienced explosive decompression, a terrifying event caused by fuselage damage from poor maintenance and metal fatigue. The damage was catastrophic. A large portion of the aircraft's roof was torn away, exposing the passengers to the open sky. The aircraft was, in essence, flying with an open wound. Yet, despite the horrific circumstances, the flight crew managed to execute an emergency landing at Kahului Airport on Maui. It was a feat of airmanship that saved countless lives, but not without a tragic cost. 1 fatality and 65 injuries mark this incident as one of the most significant in aviation history. The aftermath of Flight 243 led to a rigorous investigation that revealed deficiencies in the airline's inspection and maintenance programs. These findings were a wake-up call to the aviation industry. The incident of Flight 243 underscored the importance of proper maintenance practices and the potentially catastrophic consequences of neglecting them. The aviation industry learned a hard lesson that day. The incident sparked significant changes in aviation safety policies, leading to more stringent maintenance and inspection standards. These changes, spurred by the terrifying experience of Flight 243, have undoubtedly prevented similar incidents from occurring. So, the next time you see an airplane being repainted, remember the story of Aloha Airlines Flight 243. It's a stark reminder of the significance of maintenance in ensuring the safety of air travel. But don't just stop there. Stay informed about airplane safety. Dig deeper into the stories behind the headlines. Understand the causes and effects of incidents like Flight 243, because knowledge isn't just power, it's safety, and in the world of aviation, safety is everything.